100 Drachmai Banknote from 1978. Show the front of the note. On the front, we see Democritus, the ancient Greek philosopher known as the father of atomism. In the background, there's a beautiful design inspired by classical Greek art. Show the back of the note. On the reverse side, you'll find an impressive image of a pottery workshop representing Greece's rich artisan tradition. This note was issued by the Bank of Greece and was part of the last series before the country adopted the euro. Close up on serial numbers, watermark, and signatures. Today, this note is no longer in circulation, but it's popular among collectors. Depending on its condition, its value can range from 2 to 15 euros and even higher if it's uncirculated. Outro music, channel logo animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. See you next time for another hidden treasure. Would you like me to make this sound more natural for narration, like a YouTube voiceover script with smoother pacing and emphasis cues?